from Gulfood Manufacturing 2025. So far a very successful show for us. At Krones stand, we have achieved our goals. We have introduced Ingenic, our new concept based on data-driven line solution, fully automated. We have met with new leads, very fruitful discussions. We have closed deals here in the show. Thank you very much for all the visitors from all over the regions, and big thank you for all our teams who made it successful.
The 2025 Gulfood was a great show. It was a huge experience to meet all of our customers and discuss with you our process technology solutions for you in this wonderful region. Thank you.
It was quite a busy and exciting exhibition.
It has been very inspiring, shaping the future of technology with innovation, passion and purpose.
We had to show our customers the new technologies we have and the new features we have in our business, which was really spectacular this year.
It's been really amazing seeing the diverse group of people representing the MEA region.
See you next year with even more solutions beyond tomorrow.
Ba 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 da da.